One is of course the speed, just in time. I mean, a lot of people have been always talking about just in time concept, automotive, aerospace, and all that. But all of that just in time was fueled by the management, and the systems, right? Nothing was really, fueled by the technology itself. Whereas the first time in the history of the manufacturing technology, a process is actually enabling you to do the just in time. Someone in Poland or someone in Arkansas, wants a spare part, that they cannot locate. Today it's so easy. Within a week they can get the component that they want, reverse engineer it, create the model, 3D print, finish it, and can be delivered, within a week's time. So I mean, it's happening in the medical industry. Like there are companies now. You go to a doctor's office, the surgeon will scan your knee and then find out exactly what kind of a knee transplant that you need within a matter of hours, and then it is uploaded, and somebody somewhere in the global thing, global sector, they will print it, finish it, and within 2 weeks, it is back at the surgeon's office. I mean, there cannot be any better just in time. So this is going to really percolate across the industry. So I think that will be a huge advantage through the additive manufacturing. The second one, is the carbon burden. Because the additive manufacturing, significantly reduces the carbon burden coming from the manufacturing industry, because you don't spend energy unnecessarily. And I think these are the two major driving factors. The additive manufacturing will leave a long-standing mark on the industry.